So yeah, this weekend I'm gonna be taking the curbs off this thing and getting into these horrible looking homemade, whatever you want to call them, half-ass air filters. So I'm gonna rejet it so I can open it right up now. So I'm putting these bad boys up, which actually it looks pretty slick. So hopefully they're not gonna touch. I think I'm gonna be alright. So yeah, she's just gonna look like that. So I can appreciate that a lot better. For starter, and see how it goes. Now I got the exhaust, everything else is working, pumps working, fan, thermostat, bike works pretty good actually. Now that I got the pump figured out, thank God. Anyway, get to her. That's what I got. So there's where I'm puking on my oil. See, there's freaking oil already laying down there. Love the neat looking air filters. I'll have to soak them in some oil tonight. Get it ready for jetting tomorrow. So yeah, there's where my catch can is sitting right. Just squeezed beside the frame and the return. Not from the front, it just looks like it hangs down the bottom there. Like I said, I'll refasten it. But for now, it's at least doing its job and catching all that friggin' oil. That's usually what I do with these filters. It's not like getting all over the place. It's jet time. So I'm going to change the jets in them today. Hey guys, so I'm just changing out my high jets right now. So I got 98s in there. $110s for now. So what is this? 115. This is 110. Okay, so that's good for that side. So I'm just gonna swap my other side now. That's that. So I'm gonna clean them up a bit here and then throw them back on.